Since 2018, government has been urged to pass the Construction Industry Development Authority (CIDA) bill to regulate activities in the construction industry. The Construction Industry Development Authority seeks to regulate the activities of contractors in the industry to ensure quality performance. CIDA will also monitor and evaluate the performance and efficiency of registered contractors. With the construction sector currently reeling under numerous major challenges, industry players say the bill will be ideal in reshaping activities of professionals. Its leaders argue that the industry can only contribute meaningfully to the development of the country if the sector is sanitized. Cherry Emmanuel Awusanya, Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Chamber of Construction Industry, tells Citi Business News there is the need for the bill to be passed to bring sanity to the sector.
It became a cause of worry for the players themselves. So looking at it, we realize that we have a regulation regulating the practice of engineering, same as architects, planners, surveyors are also on their way. That is what we are championing now on the table. That surveying council bill. We need to at least also pass champion for that passage so that it can also regulate the practice and acts of the surveying in the country. But if it comes to the government, that's the construction sector, the players themselves, the contractors themselves, artisans themselves, there's nothing of that nature. So for some time now, this bill has been going to and fro. As we speak now, is at on the table of Attorney General, at the consideration stage at Cabinet. But we've been asked to come and then present a concept paper. So the PPD is on timely base. As being launched now, is going to at least help fast-track the concept on the CIDA, the Construction Industry Development Authority, so that the CIDA can come in and then, number one, to see how best we can at least mobilize the industry. Two, to see how best we can build the capacity of the industry players themselves. Three, to see how best we can also have equipment base to that effect, financial base. There's a gamut of issues that we want to at least regulate in the industry.
Surveyor Emmanuel Mate, chairman of the Ghana Chamber of Construction Industry, wants government to pass the bill latest by next year.
Government is committed to ensuring that this law sees the light of day, the Construction Industry Development Authority. So we have done a draft. It has gone through some motions. It's gone through the Attorney General's office. They made some recommendations. It came back for review. We've done it. Now it's with the Ministry of Roads and Highways and then Works and Housing. And our engagements with them, you see clearly that they are determined to support the passage of the bill. And so we say that we are having good collaboration from government, and we are certain that come somewhere next year, we may see this law pass.
They both agree that the transformation of the construction industry can only be achieved through a holistic approach. Meanwhile, consultant to the Ghana Chamber of Construction Industry, Surveyor Osea Sante, outlines some benefits to be birthed should the bill be passed.
The first thing that the Chamber wants to do is to sanitize the construction industry, and can only do so if it is regulated. So the Construction Industry Development Authority and the law that is accompanying the framework for it to work will actually sanitize the construction industry and then put forward three key areas. The first is technology development. It will push that idea of technology development. Next level of technology development will be making sure that most of our construction materials are obtained here. As far back in the 1960s, we were manufacturing WCs. We have the Opomansi steel deposits, the iron ore deposits, they are there. The next level of development is to take construction as a business, the business development aspect of that. Construction industry does a lot of what we call needs a lot of financial inputs. And it's the only industry that makes use of our banks, financial institutions, insurance companies. They are all involved.